So, what can we do with our voices to show variation, and why? Because variations in the way we speak makes it more interesting for the listener, more engaging. It also brings across the message better. It's more expressive. So when you can use your voice well, you can make the meaning of your message more memorable, also more active, and it can also have overall more power. So how do you do that? You can use high and low pitches, not volume. High and low pitches. For example, if I said, "How are you today? How are you today?" You heard the words going up in the frequency, in the pitch, and you heard the voice going down. How are you today? How are you today? So I could do that. So I can play with the pitch. I could play with the breathiness of it, like, wow, it's great to see you. I could be stern. Oh my goodness. You didn't do that, did you? So I'm using sternness. I'm using breathiness. I'm using pauses. Counting 1, 2, or 1,000, 2,000. A pause, perhaps, after I make a statement, because I want the person to absorb it. I could use also pace. I can speak really, really fast, and then I can just slow down, because I use these expressions to convey meaning to somebody. So then I'd get rid of the monotone, everything sounding the same and everything meaning the same because I'm a robot. No, I'm a human having a human experience when I'm speaking, feeling my emotions, using my voice accordingly. So there's some things you can do. And one more thing to consider is emphasizing certain words. When we emphasize certain words, we bring across the message in different ways. Like, I did not say I baked the cake. That would mean, like, who said it if it wasn't you? I could say, I did not say I baked the cake. Perhaps instead of saying it, I wrote it in an email. I did not say I baked the cake. I guess someone else must have baked it. I did not say I baked the cake. Perhaps you bought the cake. I did not say I baked the cake. Did you bake cookies then? Do you see how it changes the meaning of your words simply because of the words I've emphasized more than others? So these are some things you can do with your voice, and these are called voice variations, which allow you to express your message more powerfully, be more memorable, and actually activate your words more, as opposed to having a monotone, repetitive tone that's boring and switches people off because it can be hypnotic and it's not kind of like not musical enough, not interesting enough.